What's going on, Broseph? We got an old noisy dishwasher call today. I figured I'd give you guys a break from 521 compressor savers and low leaky coils. It's almost been every video I've had that, so I'm gonna give you guys a break, give you a dishwasher video. Instead it's making a clanking noise. Oh yeah, you can hear it clanking. It's like clank, clank. You can kind of hear it's like clink, clink. It's like something's in there, man. All right, before it fills up with water, I already know what it is. Eee, thing's kind of dirty. Well, I mean, having, you know, this in there probably didn't help. Let me turn it back on real quick. Maybe that was it. No, I still hear it. Yeah, I still hear it. I hope that was coming up on camera. It's like a knocking noise. So we're just gonna take this waste basket off. On this style of dishwasher, that's usually what it is. Something just gets caught up in this waste basket here. There's a propeller down in there, kind of like a boat propeller. And sometimes popcorn seeds or popcorn kernels that get down in there, and that propeller will be smacking against them, making like a buzzing noise. There's 2 screws on each side here. Just get these screws out and then the top will come off. It's been a while since I've made one of these videos, so figured what the heck, give you guys a break from the low compressor savers and low leaky coils. Yeah, pull this out. Let me set the camera down. Yeah, so today is July 13th. It's the 22nd anniversary of my 21st birthday. I'll let you guys do the math on that. So we take that out. There's also another little cover on top here. Pull that out. Now that you have everything open, you can dig your hand down in here and see what's clanking. Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel it. Oh man, it's deep. There it is, I got it. I think it's like a cover that goes over these. Whatever it is, it's hard. So that's what was clanking around on that propeller in there. Oh man, there's something else too. What is that? Oh, screw. Now that's the culprit. So if you ever get a work order for a noisy dishwasher, just pull the covers off and reach down in here. And you can feel the propeller. I'm turning the propeller right now with my fingers. It is spinning freely. And there's nothing else in there. It's empty now, but there it is. Get that out of here. Now we'll just do everything in reverse. Put our cover back on. Ugh. That there. And this will go underneath the element. That's the easiest point I've done so far. And I'm sure some guys are like, oh, why don't you take the tower off? Oh, it's much easier. I mean, you can go ahead, man, but you risk snapping the little plastic piece. This stuff gets hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. This is cheap GE plastic. You snap that piece off, now this is done so that's why I don't do it. I've learned the hard way. But you can if you want to. If you want to pull this off, be my guest. But when you snap that piece off and make this irrelevant, you got to throw it away. I want you to hear my voice with reverb and echo. Don't take this off. I wouldn't pull the tower off. Cheap plastic. All right, now we'll put our screws back in and take a listen. Yeah, I haven't done one of these in so long, I almost forgot to wash the basket. I try to wash it out as best I can. And yeah, if you also get a work order by, oh, something smells in my dishwasher, take this off and look underneath, man. It's usually sometimes caked with just crud and crap, and just clean that out too. Take that off and you get your shop vac and clean it out. There's another tip for you guys. If you ever get an old stinky dishwasher work order. All right, now we can put it back together. Yeah, this is the hard part, putting this thing back in. Make sure the orange ball is in there too. Without that orange ball, it won't drain on this style anyway. So just try to push this back in there like that. There we go. It won't drain if that's not in there. I've seen some that don't drain and that'll be popped out. And if you have a hard time, there's a little screw under here you can loosen, and that'll help you put it back in good. Just make sure you tighten it back down. I'll show you the cheap plastic tab on the other side of this that I'm talking about. If you want to take this out, now you do have that option. And I'll show you the cheap tab that I've broken off before, and I'm just like, ah, you know something. I'm here for something so easy. Now I got to order another spray tower. The residents got to wait, I don't know, a week or so. Here for a doggone dishwasher noise. Now I gotta wait for a spray tower because I broke the cheap plastic tab off. And you gotta remember, this stuff gets hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold for years, months, you know. It weakens over time. And here you come with your flathead like, oh, I'm just gonna pull this out and be easier. Boom, snapped it right off. All right, got the screws in. I'll show you what tab I'm talking about. Yeah, real quick, it's that tab right here. Right there where my finger is. You put a flathead behind that and kind of pull up a little bit, and you can pull this tower out, and it'll give you free reign to work. But over time it gets weak and you'll break that thing off, and oh, it just sends me to the moon. So yeah, a little dishwasher lesson here for you new guys. Alright, well there's our culprit right there. I'm pretty confident that's going to fix it. I mean, you can't have a screw and a little doodad in there hitting against the propeller. So, I'm pretty confident that was it. Get the light out of there. Oh yeah, that sounds better. No clankety clank, good to go. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Later.